Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. From wherever you are watching around the world, I'm still your favorite, the king from OB Real Estate. Today, I'm in Akwaeze, and Akwaeze is a town located in Anocha local government. And here is we're at the Sion Division Group. This section is one that sells all kinds of plank that you need for your building project. Now we will go come closer to meet with the owner of this place to tell us more about the woods that are available here and different kinds of wood according to as it is used for the building project. Please let's follow me. Let's get more of this place. Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome.
Yeah. What is your name?
And Sylvester Akwaeze Naka,
Okay. Where,
popularly
okay. Go ahead.
popularly the manager, Sion Group
Okay.
of companies,
Okay.
which
So, okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
we specialize on mainly on building material, accessories. Just like here, you can see planks
Yeah.
for for building.
Okay.
There is no how you can start the building without plank
Okay.
and other
Mm.
here plank.
Okay.
Here the 1x6 just for the
Mm.
button of the blocks.
You said this one is what?
1x6.
1x6.
This is 1x6,
One by
and
six.
here 1x5.
Okay. All right.
So
Continue.
here the pole line known as 2x4.
This is pole line. Car pole
This is
line.
no, this is 2x4.
2x4.
Yeah. Then here the pole line that is a 2x2.
Pole line 2x2.
Yeah. And other you can see this is a 1x3, mainly for uh, for I mean
Okay. You can move to the next one. Once remember, we can. So, but what kind of what part of building construction is this particular one used for?
this meant for batting.
For batting.
Just like you can see
Okay. This one, for example.
for example,
Okay.
just to decorate something like a beer parlor on or even likewise uh, decoration.
For decoration. For decking, what kind of wood did you think is
You
to
can
be used?
it's equally meant for ceiling.
For ceiling.
Yeah, ceiling batting.
Okay, this is a ceiling button.
Yeah,
Okay. So what part of the building construction, the building can this one be used?
this for the fencing.
Okay, for fencing work.
Yeah, for
Okay.
fencing wall. Yeah,
Okay.
just like to expand the head of the fence.
Okay.
That is the main
To
purpose of
expand the
this.
head of the fence.
Yes.
Okay. What about this one?
This a button whereby rental, just for rental.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
To raise a decking. To raise a decking, what kind of wood plank would you
Yeah. Here
use?
here is it. This is 1x12.
1x12.
Uh-huh. Just like this is 9 inches. 1x9, 9 inches.
Okay.
Mhm. Then this meant for likewise depending the size of block.
Okay.
Then you can use this one. Then the other one that is 6 inches. If that the block is 6 inches,
Yeah.
then you know you use this. But when
Okay, it is according to the size
the
of
size of the blick,
okay, okay,
uh,
okay. Because a block get the different inches.
that this is 6 inches
This is 6 inches. Okay.
meant for 6 inches block.
Block. Okay.
Then here this 1x5
This
meant
one
for
by
five
five.
inches block.
Okay.
You know here we popularly build with either 5 inches, 6 inches, or 9 inches.
Okay. That's is the demand for this kind of this area.
Yes, yeah, this area, yes.
Okay. So if you receive a request from outside the state or from outside this locality, will you be able to supply?
Why not? Why not? We have branches at least about 3 states.
You have branches in 3 states.
Yes, but the
Sion Division Group.
Sion group of companies
Sion Group of companies.
having head office at Onitsha.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
so being that the director is an indigenous of this town.
Okay. It's
So
an indigenous of Akwaeze.
it's an indigenous of
That's
Akwaeze.
why this one is located here.
Here, yeah.
Okay. And look at this village is a Umideke.
Umideke village, Akwaeze.
So our viewers all over the world, as you have heard from the CEO here, the person managing this outlet, he said that he has told us most things that we need to know about this plant, and he can also supply in large quantity. As you can see, this place is located opposite the Iron Gate construction company over here, and if you look over there, you will see the laundry machine I told you about. And as you look a little bit further, you will see the entrance leading to the palace of Ezenebo III, the Igwe of Akwaeze. And also, if you look the other way, you also see St. Michael's Catholic Church located over there. So I also want to add also that this place is very easy to locate. It is located close to popular Afo Akwaeze market. So what we are now telling you now is that you don't need to worry. If you have a building project, a construction work that you need to do in this locality, be it Akwaeze or anywhere in another local government or beyond, it is we're telling you now that you should not look elsewhere. Come to Sion Division Group. This is part of the outlet that is here. Come and patronize them, come and buy their wools, come and take their supplies. They also have other things they do. They also do aluminum windows and what have you. We will go there so that he will show us the other section of what they are doing. Okay. So this price you've shown us this wood. So price first now this wood is how much?
Like this one now. This is a half of this.
Okay, this one is half of this.
Half of this. You can see this is 7 feet.
Okay.
While this is 12 feet.
Okay.
So this this one is the price of this is to half of. Let me straight go to the prices.
Okay, just go straight to it.
This 1,300 naira.
1,300 naira for one. And what is the name?
1x12.
This is 1x12.
Short length.
1x12.
1x12.
Okay, 1x12. It goes for 1,300 naira
Yeah.
per one.
One.
Okay. And
when I mean 1x12, mean the wideness.
The wideness.
The wideness. Yeah, can 1 inch. 1 inch. Then the wideness is 12 inches.
Okay, the wideness is 12 inches.
Then the length is 7 feet.
Okay.
Then the price is 1,300 naira.
1,300 naira.
Then coming to the 1x12.
Okay.
I mean, like 1 inch, 1 inch. Then by 12, 12 inches. Then the height, 12 feet.
Okay.
This is 2,500 naira.
2,500 naira.
Then 9 inches. 9 inches. Okay. Which is 2,000 naira.
2,000 naira for the 9 inches.
For 9 inches. Then
okay, the next one.
1x6. 1 inches by 6. 1 inches by 6 inches. Then by 12 length.
1 inches by 1 inch by 6
6 inches.
6 inches.
By 12 feet.
By 12 feet. Okay, this is 12 feet now.
Yeah.
That's how much?
1,200 naira.
1,200 naira.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's progress. This one.
Then.
Okay.
Well, they are the same thing. Just 1 inch.
I discovered that they're almost the same thing.
Then this is 1x3.
This is
1 inch by 3.
1
meant
inch
for
by
cap.
It's meant for cap.
Cap. That is a fence cap.
Okay. Okay. How much is that one?
Usually we're tying it 4. Okay. 4 of this is 1 plank.
Okay, you sell it like 4 as it is like this.
As it is like
It's how much this way?
2,500.
2,500.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then, this is a 2 by 4, 2 inches
This
by 4 inches
2 inches by
by
four
4 inches.
inches. It
By
goes for how much?
1,200.
This one goes for 1,200.
200, yeah. Then this is 2 by 2.
This is 2 by 2.
2 inches by 2 inches.
2 inches by 2 inches.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the length? What is the
The
length?
length is 12 inches.
12 inches.
Though as you can see now, the quantity of this one has less
Because
because
of the
this is
demand.
because of the demand.
Yeah.
Mm.
How much? You didn't tell us the price.
The
For
price of this is 600 naira per one.
600 naira per one.
Yes.
Okay. So is there any dicta, or is the price is peculiar to you, or is it also price you can get elsewhere, or once you are negotiating with your
No,
customer, is that
no.
likely you will?
Every market now is so competitive.
Okay,
So this price I'm giving to you is just for general,
just
just
for
for
general.
competitive price.
And you are saying that,
Uh,
you are comfortable, you are customer friendly, and you can attend. You can The price is not the problem. They should come and get from you.
yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So then, coming here, this is 2 by 4 by 18 feet.
This is 2 by 4 by 18 feet.
Mm.
Okay.
The price of each is 1,400 naira.
1,400 naira.
Yes.
This is Barton, like you told us earlier,
Yeah. It's for ceiling,
for ceiling.
for asbestos ceiling.
Okay.
Uh-huh. So not only doing ceiling with it, you can as well use it for decoration,
Yeah.
and also you can see this bar now. They use it to design
Okay. The bar.
the bar.
Okay. So this
So
one goes for how much?
a bundle of it is about 20.
Okay.
20 of it making one
One
bundle.
bundle.
That is 6,000 naira
6,000 naira for one
for
bundle.
one bundle.
Okay.
So then this one is 2 by 3.
This 2 by 3.
2 by 3, just equivalent of this.
This is 2 by 3.
Yeah,
Equivalent of this one.
yeah.
Yeah.
Those ones that some goods that people buy, keep it here for when they need, they practically.
Okay. People can buy and still leave it here.
Mhm.
They will pick it up whenever they are ready
They
for
are
it.
ready for it. You
Okay.
can see how it was tied. It's tied.
Okay. Okay. The way it starts shows that it has been bought.
Ah,
Okay. All right. I believe our viewers over the world are informed about. You didn't just tell us about the name and the woods and what they are used for. You also told us the prices of the woods. I also said that prices are not the problem. Let them come. Let them come. Let them bring their
great.
requests, their demand. Let them make their demands that you are capable, and your tell us about what your customers are saying, the good things they are saying about the woods you are supplying to them.
Well, the everything there is that our people used to say that a good turn deserves another.
All right.
So when coming to the quality of wood, just give us a try.
Okay.
Assurance that we convince you, and
Okay.
we appreciate to have a business with us.
Okay. Thanks for your time. Let's also connect again with the contact. Call us your contact again for
The 08134
08134
74
74
75
75
71.
and 71.
Yeah.
Our viewers over the world, you have heard it from the horse's mouth. This is Sion. Please, can you say call the company name again?
Sion Group of Companies.
Sion Group of Companies.
Here is trading division.
Here is trading division.
Then the other side of it is technical
The
division.
technical division, the side that produces Aramco
Yes.
products, and here is the wood. You know, here is the trading division, like you said earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Our viewers all over the world, remember everything that I said. Remember to like this video, remember to share, and remember to subscribe the channel for more updates. All your wood product trading needs and the technical and the almaco needs, which you can get at the trading at the technical division. Please, his place is located at Akwaeze, and don't forget to call the number. The number is at your screen right now, and remember, it is OBA Real Estate that is bringing this to you. And please, before you make your request, don't forget to call OB Real Estate to confirm the payment and to monitor the contracts once it has been signed. Thank you. Bye.